Commander, Mech Bad Zappa and his orcs are set to overrun Argus, the planetary capital. If they do so, all of Calderis will fall. I have set up a defense at the city gates, but the Initiates and Space Marines there need your support. You will drop south of their position and drive north to secure the gates. I have taken a few Space Marines to the east and have cut off the Orcs' main approach. Calderis must not fall, Commander.
Boss, I think we threw a greedy thing.
What? You kids can't do anything right! I'll have to fix it myself!
The enemy is found.
Eliminate those orcs!
You mean the estate shooting?
What much has off of me backside?
The orc leader. He's getting away. Engage jump pad. Green skin. Fire.
Meet me Storm Boys. They're nasty. Kill these kids, boys! I'm heading for the UV base!
Commander, that orc is heading to lead an attack on the town gates. Pursue and eliminate him.
And save your camp now, you kids!
Prevent the orcs from breaching the city gates. Drive the orcs back. Sentry guns are ready to deploy. Relay positions and they will drop in to bolster your defense.
Tactical. Return fire, brothers. You lot have made a mess of all me plans! I don't appreciate that!
Devastator's tied in melee.
Force fields up and I'm unstoppable!
Run for your lives!
It is done. Move on. Thaddeus here. The field is deadly up close. Attack from range.
Oh, makes the best bombs in the war! Here's a taste of the Mega Rumbler, you gits!
The green skin is causing an earthquake. Target here. Enemy position locked. Close combat. We can't get a shot off.
Too big and old to be in an orc like me!
Thule to all Blood Ravens. Prepare for emergency extraction to the Armageddon. We are facing far more than orcs or Eldar.
Commander, Captain Thule needs your aid. Deploy to his position immediately.
Xenos, open fire! More Xenos! Fight through to Captain Thule!
What were those things? A foe far deadlier than orcs or Eldar, Thaddeus. Thaddeus here! Aerial assault. Make it ours. Target down. Claimed and sanctified.
There he is! Commander, I ordered all of you to extract, not to run to your death! Keep fighting! We are pushing them back!
We will kill every last one of them!
Meteorite inbound on your position.
Not the meteorite, Martellus. That is a Tyrannid spore.
Come on, alien!
Tyrannid warrior! Go! Go up, Frick! Kill the large warrior beast! It is directing the others! Aerial assault! It's done! Move on! Captain Thule! Tyrannid assault!
Captain Thule! The warrior beast is getting away!
Captain Thule, get to Captain Thule.
We have Captain Thule!
Thunderhawk 1, emergency extraction at relay coordinates. Thunderhawks 3 and 4, follow with bombing run, purification spread. Here's the alien. And may the Emperor be with us all.
we face our darkest hour. Captain Thule has fallen to aliens who have escaped retribution. A massive hive fleet looms over our recruiting worlds. But this battle is not over.
Get Captain Thule to the apothecary! Hurry!
Calm yourself, Thaddeus. Gordian is already at work.
Commander, I am Apothecary Gordian, Chief of Genomedicine aboard the Armageddon. Captain Thule still lives, but he is in grave condition. Many of his vital organs and implants were destroyed, and an alien poison is attacking surviving tissues. I have placed Captain Thule in stasis to halt the poison's progress, but as of now, I have no means to counteract its effects.
Gordian had better prepare himself for more of us to require his tending.
You fear the aliens, Cyrus?
I know no fear, Avitus, but I am no fool. Those were Tyranids, alien monsters who strip worlds of all life. There are billions of them, and only a handful of us.
Have you faced these things before, Cyrus?
Once, a long time ago, when I served in the Death Watch. We are going to need all the help we can get to face this infestation. Even then, we will probably fail.
Commander, with your permission, I will attempt to raise the nearest of our chapter fleets. This may take some time, however. In the meantime, we need to secure Typhon before the rest of the Tyranid swarm arrives. Otherwise, our supply lines will be devastated. There is an Eldar raiding party that continues to wreak havoc on our defenses on Typhon. We should return to Typhon and eliminate those Eldar.